Rights and Responsibilities by CPARC Advocacy. You have rights. You are a human being. Every person has rights. Rights are things that you can do because you are a person. Having a disability or receiving services does not change your rights. You have the right to make decisions. You can be a part of your meetings. People should listen to you when you speak at meetings. Your opinion is important. You can invite family, friends, and advocates. You have the responsibility to speak up. It is your responsibility to tell others what you want and how you feel. It is your responsibility to ask questions and participate in meetings. You have the right to be free from abuse. No one should hit or hurt you in any way. No one should touch your body without your permission. No one should ignore you. No one should yell, tease, or say mean things about you. You should tell someone if this happens. You have the responsibility to not abuse anyone. You do not have the right to yell, tease, or say mean things to another person. You do not have the right to touch someone without their consent. You do not have the right to hurt another person. You have the right to good health care. You have the right to choose your own doctors. You have the right to ask questions and make decisions about your own health care. Your doctor should explain things so that you understand them. You have the right to refuse medical care and medications. You have the responsibility to care for your body. It is your responsibility to listen to your doctor. It is your responsibility to tell people if you do not feel well. It is your responsibility to take medications so that you can be healthy. You have the right to a safe and clean home. You have the responsibility to keep your home clean and care for your belongings. You have the right to proper physical care. You have the right to nutritious meals. Staff or family should help you plan, shop, and cook healthy and delicious meals. You have the responsibility to choose healthy foods. You have the right to proper physical care. You have the right to take a shower or bath when you choose, own personal grooming supplies, and clean clothing. You have the responsibility to clean your body, use grooming supplies, and wear clean clothes. You have the right to proper physical care. You have the right to have opportunities for physical activities of your choice. You have the responsibility to exercise your body and tell people what it is that you like to do. You have the right to be in the community. You have the right to choose the activities that you like and who you want to spend time with in the community. You have the right to attend or not attend religious services where you choose. You have the right to work or attend day programs that you choose. You have the right to be in the community. You have the right to have friends that you choose. You can visit your friends and they can visit you. You have the responsibility to respect your housemates' choices and give staff or family time to schedule the activities that you choose. You have the responsibility to choose activities that are safe and spend time with friends that are safe. You have the right to vote. You have the right to vote and participate in the democratic process. You have the responsibility to learn about voting and to let legislators know what you think. You have the right to privacy. You have the right to communication without censorship. That means that you can have phone calls and visitors without anyone listening, and letters and emails without anyone reading them. You have the right to lock your door. People should knock and wait until you give them permission to enter. You have the right to privacy. You have the right to privacy while sleeping and bathing. You have the responsibility to respect the privacy of others. You should not listen to their phone calls or go into their room without permission. You have the right to personal property and money. You have the right to have personal property. You have the right to have your things in your room. No one should take things without asking you. You have the responsibility to take care for your things. You have the responsibility to respect the things that belong to other people. You have the right to personal property and money. You have the right to personal spending money. You can buy what you want with your money. You have the responsibility to budget your spending and pay your bills. You have the responsibility to keep your money in a safe place. You have the same rights as everyone else. If you think that your rights have been taken or someone abuses you, you can tell someone. You can tell the staff or family in your home. You can tell your advocate. You can call an advocate at CPARC 717-249-2611. You can call Adult Protective Services 1-800-490-8505. For emergencies or very serious issues, you can call the police. Rights and responsibilities.